Take him up fire. Take up fish, make young girl love you, my boy. Yeah. Barra size this big your fruit. Yo, people want to tell us I catch one and him bite off my line. Fire catch one and he bite off film line. So fire set the next one and see it there. Floating line. I want to take a soldier crab. You cutting? And you know take this and never throw it a float. You know a float. Yeah man, nice guy there, you know. Yeah, my boy, I send him out back. Cha. Look here, man. Mouth all broke off. Look at the size of those teeth in his mouth. Focus the camera. Yeah, man. And my hole in job too.